You're in for a treat! So in today's video, we're going to explore 5 different AI websites that you can use to start a business with an OpenAI and ChatGPT. This is the most amazing thing I have ever seen in my entire life. Really, it's absolutely incredible. I don't want you to miss out on it. That's why I'm making this video, to bring you guys up to speed and make you aware of this, because it's brand new. Everyone's talking about OpenAI and ChatGPT. Before we begin, welcome to That iNinja, the channel where we demonstrate simple money-making methods. If you want to be notified when fresh money-making strategies, or you want to hear when the latest AI tools are posted, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. So if you don't know what API is, it's called Application Programming Interface, which allows developers to basically create applications that can access and use information and data provided via ChatGPT. Anyone can simply implement the OpenAI or the ChatGPT into their own software or apps and create their own front-end user interface. I even have it here how you can create a website without knowing any code. First, let me show you how powerful this ChatGPT is and give you a little background. It's basically a framework for all the back-end stuff that we're doing. So I'm logged into ChatGPT right now, right here, and I'm going to say, write a business plan for opening a flower shop. Now watch this, folks. You're going to give me an executive summary. Now read it, executive summary. This business plan outlines the strategy for opening a flower shop called Blooming Petals in a prime location in the city. The shop will specialize in offering fresh and unique floral arrangements, plants, and other floral-related products to customers. The business will target a diverse range of customers, including individuals, event planners, wedding planners, and corporate clients. Our focus will be on providing excellent customer service, high-quality products, and competitive pricing to establish a loyal customer base and drive revenue growth. Business overview. Blooming Petals is a retail flower shop that will offer a variety of fresh flowers, plants, and floral-related products to customers. Our shop will be located in a high-traffic area of the city, making it easy for customers to find and access our store. The shop will feature a modern and elegant design that will create a warm and welcoming environment for customers. We also have products and services, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations, a financial plan, and a conclusion. Also, this provided me with a summary version, which was similar to what I gave him previously, and provided me with a bit more of an analyst's perspective on it. It's kind of summarizing it even more, and then I typed it in. Give me a spreadsheet of the flower shop's 3-year projection. Now this is free to use, folks. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's literally generating this live. That's the first year's sales delivery, event planning expenses like rent, utilities, labor, advertising, supplies, and profits. The basics for what you need to write an SBA business plan, which they have no real specifics for. Amazing right now, that was unbelievable, right? An example of that is that now you could take that API as a base, which is pretty cool. The second website is called prisma-ai.com, also known as Lensa. So Lensa is an app that's been pretty viral recently because they found a very specific use case for one of these APIs. One of these uses is on Instagram, where a lot of people are posting these animated versions of their faces. You might have seen how they've been doing this through Lensa. But the interesting thing about Lensa is that it is simply using the Stable Diffusion AI engine, which is essentially free to use for anyone. It says here on the website that Lensa is an all-in-one image editing app that takes your photos to the next level. It will improve facial retouching with a single tap of magic correction, and perfect the imperfections with tons of cool tools. Replace or blur out the background with a single touch. Tune both the foreground and background to perfection separately. Apply unique filters and special effects to level up your photo editing game. Add an extra edge to your photos by adding borders. These particular APIs have zero costs, which means there's a 100% profit margin. While most people are simply playing with the technology right now for their own use or to make their job easier, smart entrepreneurs like you are finding ways to plug it in, and that API into a front-end software platform. The next website is called perplexity.ai. What they do is basically describe any subject in 4 sentences. You can see some popular questions right now, like tips to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to prepare shawarma for beginners, how to prevent cryptojacking, 5 reasons why you should take cold showers, tips to negotiate for a salary, and so much more. Alright, let's try and say, what World War II information do you have? And they'll give you the top articles on Google. World War II was a global conflict that lasted from 1939 to 1945. The principal belligerents were the Axis powers, including Germany, Italy, and Japan, and the Allies, including France, Great Britain, the United States, the Soviet Union, and China. The war involved virtually every part of the world. The National Archives has records related to World War II, including a list of dead and missing Army and Army Air Forces personnel, state summaries of war casualties for Navy, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard personnel, and information on those buried in American Battle Monument Commission cemeteries, missing in action, or buried or lost at sea. They vet it all out and give you a single summary description of that, which is really helpful because many of you might know that when you Google something, you typically find multiple articles and have to narrow it down. I even have to go and put the timeline there so it's the most current and not outdated, and you have to pick the right one and figure it out. But now Perplexity is going through literally hundreds of articles and summarizing those topics. Now, in business, if you're trying to sell a product, you need a description of the product for places like Amazon, Facebook ads, or anywhere else you're going to sell it. That description is called copywriting. And more specifically, I think the opportunity lies in sales copywriting because if you get sales, you make money. If you can help people make money, you're going to make money. I have a friend of mine who actually makes over 7 figures. Actually, I've got a friend of mine doing this a month using a website called copy.ai and how they're able to use just that to create quality copy, but much more quickly than anybody else. What they're doing is using a platform called Copy AI. They get a client, he just inputs the subject, which is the style that they want the copy written in, and literally it outputs the sales copy in seconds. And then he sends it to the clients, and they have no idea that he made it with Copied AI. It's so crazy that he's providing this simple tool. They're able to use this tool and be able to output 10 times the amount of copy that they were previously able to do, and can now handle more clients with fewer employees, which means more money. These employees weren't strong copywriters either, but he showed him how to use the Copy API, and now he sends the client's copy in minutes, literally minutes, and is able to do hundreds of copyrights. As you can see on the website, it says, experience the full power of an AI content generator that delivers premium results in seconds. Get better results in a fraction of the time. Finally, a writing tool you'll actually use. Blog content, digital ad copy, e-commerce copy, sales copy, social media content, website copy. I'm going to break down how it works. Number 1, enter your copywriting project. Choose from emails, social posts, long-form blog posts, and more. Number 2, give copy.ai a bit of context. Enter a few sentences about your brand and products. Number 3, sift through the results. Our AI content generator gives you multiple options for each campaign that you're working on. Number 4, edit, polish, and publish. Use copy.ai's editor to rewrite paragraphs and polish sentences. Then just copy and paste the work into your CMS for publishing. Moving on to the next e-commerce dropshipper, this is a big one called Sidekick.ai. This is where you can literally build a website and a landing page in minutes, like less than a minute. So if you're a dropshipper out there, you know the name of the game is testing different products and constantly needing to build different sites and landing pages for these products to see if people are interested in the product in the first place. As you can see here, it says one-click landing pages. Sidekick was built to do one simple thing: create beautiful landing pages within minutes. All you need is your business description, and Sidekick will take care of the rest. Copy, design, and code. Sidekick allows you to build landing pages that look like they were written by a professional copywriter, designed by an award-winning designer, and created by a developer with multiple years of experience. Learn from the best. Their engine was trained on 1,000 highly converting landing pages from multiple industries. What are customers saying about Sidekick? Sidekick is superb. The quickest way to get a professional landing page. It offers engaging copyright, beautiful design, and great structure. I struggled to put together different people with different skills for a convenient price. But with Sidekick, you can have it all. It recommends insightful written content that I would never think of. Time saver. I highly recommend it. It's really easy to use. And how do you get started? Sidekick.ai, just click Get Started and click Join Waitlist. So if there's something that you think is really cool, throw it in the comments. I hope you guys take advantage of this information. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, please like and subscribe. This is That AI Ninja signing off.